Hi everyone. Okay, so I am back, kinda. I am still not feeling 100%, but I'm like 92%. So I may choke every so often, but you know, please ignore that. So I got the card kit of the month, Hey Foxy, from December 2019 of SpellBinders. I'm 2 months behind on everything, but I thought, you know what? I'm going to, I was debating whether I should film this or not. And I decided, okay, I love this kit so much now that I just had to share. So that is why I'm going to share SpellBinders, Coco Daisy, and Felicity Jane. I already opened the Kelly Perky and stuff, so I'm not going to share her. Plus, she's quitting after, I think she said either January, February is our last billing date, and then she's moving on to greener pastures, I guess. So that's her choice. Okay, so which is sad because her stamps are my favorite. Thanks for being a club member. Enjoy your animal membership gift. So ooh, that's pretty. So it's a we get I guess a gift every year. That's cool. Okay, so that works. I like free gifts because it just says, you know, that they appreciate you and your business. Okay, so this is the small die of the month. It is our favorite font, Sentiment. So it's going to look like that. There's going to be glare because it's nighttime. I wasn't going to film anything, but I'm in here and I feel okay enough to do it. So I'm like, yeah, I'll just do it. This is the large die of the month. Now, this month, December, I really wanted the Becca Feekin, I think is her name, her die. But I didn't change my subscription in time. And then, hold on, I gotta choke. And so I didn't get it in time. And then the month of January, I didn't really care for the one. So I guess it was meant to be. So I didn't get it. So this right here is the fox. Oh, look at the little body of the fox. So that's the fox. Oh, I like that. Oh, and it comes with little sentiments and a little leafy thing. Oh, look at that. Is so cute. So that's what you get. So I'm hoping that we get 10 cards, 10 envelopes. Oops, those are a little ruined, but it's not a big deal because they give you more cardstock. Just use this one as a mat. So if things are messed up, you know, instead of complaining, just figure out what to do with it, you know, instead. Like, you know, use it as a mat, or, you know, put your sentiments and then cut it out. You know, you don't have to, I don't know. I guess it's just me, but you don't have to complain all the time. You know, stuff happens. The mail happens, you know, so, but that's just me, I guess. I'm a dying breed, I think, because you go online and you see nothing but complaints about everything. Here's, oh, I love this. This is foam letters and numbers. I love when they give us numbers. I gotta choke. So that's awesome. And then we have the stamp set. So anyways, yeah, so I wasn't, so what I decided was I was going to see what this month offered for next month's kit. And if I like the Becca one, I'm going to get it. Because quite honestly, this is all, the large die, small die, and the card kit is $63. And I just think that is such a screaming steal. And then when you add, I think it's called, what is it called? It's AP something. Oh gosh. I keep forgetting what the acronym means. I don't know why. Yeah, I can't remember what it is. But it's the Becca Feekin one. And it's APM, I think, or something like that. And I'm going to, if I add it, it's only going to cost, I think, $83. So $20 more and you get another die. And I thought, oh, well, because Kelly Perky is closing shop, I'm like, I have that extra, I think I pay... Oh, I pay $50 for Kelly Perky because I get the TN set and I also get the Project Life set. So I spend $50 a month in Kelly Perky, not including if there's an add-on. And so, so I had the extra money, and actually I'd be saving $10. So, so that's what I'm going to do. Now, I get another kit that I did my 3-month commitment and I'm done with it, because quite honestly, you guys, you need to look at your kits. And I did not enjoy one of them, but it was a 3-month commitment, and I'm like, this is so like high school kind of, you know, kit. You know, you get ribbon, and then you get like papers, and then you get like these old embellishments from like late 1990s and stuff, and it just was not working for me, because we're having to pay, I gotta choke, 38, I think it was $38, I think, no, maybe 28, I think it was $28 a month, I think. And I could not do it, because I'm like, that's a lot of money, and you're not even getting, you're getting old stuff. And I think you were paying basically for the envelope and the dye. And that's not, and she gets her dyes from China. So I'm like, so you know they weren't expensive. And especially when you go on AliExpress and see dyes, you know, for $3. So I quit that one. So that's also another savings I'm doing. So I rather put it towards things like this, because the card kit, the difference between the card kit from SpellBinders and that one I was getting is night and day. I mean, it is night and day, you guys. So look at what you're getting and figure out if it's worth the money. And if it's not, then okay, you know what? Change it, because it's not worth it. It really isn't. You get all of this, except for these two dyes, all of this for about the same amount of money. I think the kit went up, of course. I think it was $25. That included shipping. I get a choke. But now it is I think $30. I'm not sure what it is individually now, but it's insanely inexpensive, and I'm like, I love it. This kit makes me happy, and that's why I decided to film it, because I'm like, it's amazing. You get so much. So you get a vanilla, a gold, a craft, well, it's brown, it's not craft, it's brown, and pink, blue, burgundy, baby pink, and white. See, so when you have a card that's messed up, like this one is, use this one instead. So just change it out. And with this, you get 2. So you actually get 2 for the price of one that's messed up. But, you know, hey. So, and then you get all of these die cuts. These die cuts are amazing to me. You know, I think last year I wanted to quit this, early last year, I wanted to quit this kit because it was not working for me. Then they stepped up their game, and I am in love. I mean, this is like my favorite kit. So yeah, it's, you know, so I had that feeling, and then it was like, okay, the next one was so cool. And then the next one was cool. And I'm like, okay, now this is worth the money. When you're not wasting things and you're not going, ah, man. And what's cool about SpellBinders is, I know you see a big shadow, but, you know, I'm hoping to get that ring light. We'll see. But it's hard for me to concentrate right now. And so it still is. So I keep forgetting. And I haven't been filming a lot. So, I mean, this has been 6 weeks of being sick, and I just picked up a cold last night, so I'm hoping that goes away quickly. But I'm like, seriously guys, can we just not? I'm like, body, I'm over you. I'm totally over you. Can we like not do this anymore? Oh, look at the coffee cup, and it comes out. Oh, let me see. Is that not cute? I wanted to really make cards and do my 10 cards, but it's not going to happen for these 2 kits, because it's too much for me right now. And yeah, if I can't concentrate, much less create. So, but anyway, so what was I telling you? Oh, with SpellBinders, you can look at their sneak peeks, and then you can not get a month. You can skip a month, and they won't bill you. Which I think is cool, because if you really don't like a kit, you don't have to pay for it. Just skip it. And I personally think that's awesome, when you don't have to hassle with things, you know. I know that's one thing why I never subscribed to Studio Calico, because of I love their stuff, but I could not do that commitment, because once you're locked into a commitment and they have your credit card and all that stuff, it's just a major pain in the butt. And when they give you problems, and then they charge you if you cancel early, I'm like, what in the world? I did not like that, so I never got involved with them. But yeah, they really screwed up their company too. But I watched that whole thing unravel for them, which is just crazy. I'm like, maybe they were going through a midlife crisis or something, because that was crazy. They had gold mine, and then yeah, so sad. I got a cough. So you get all these ephemera pieces, and I mean, just Jiminy, look at all this. This is just great. So you get all this, that's bust, and you get a stamp set, and you get the 10 cards, 10 envelopes, a paper pack, the die, and alpha, some sequins. You get some foam tape and some regular adhesive, and that I think is like $35. I'm not positive, but I think so. But you can get just this kit, and I just think that is amazing. I love it. So anyways, that's all, you guys. Take care. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.